welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Delicy, and today we are making a delicious homemade banana bread. It is super easy and perfect for any occasion. If you guys are interested in this video, please continue to watch. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get started. So the ingredient call for 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, 1/2 cup vanilla Greek yogurt or plain yogurt, or you can also use whole milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup whole wheat pastry flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup butter, melted and cool, or you can also use olive oil or coconut oil, whichever one you prefer. First, let's mash our ripe bananas. I am now taking my ripe banana and put it in a bowl, and I'm going to use a fork and mash the bananas. Then we're gonna add our eggs, maple syrup, and Greek yogurt and vanilla extract to a bowl until well combined. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk together the dry ingredients, which will be the whole wheat pastry flour, the baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. And then we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until combined. Do not overmix. And I stress on that, do not overmix. Then we're gonna add our melted butter or coconut oil or olive oil, whichever one that you choose, and we're gonna pour it into our batter. Then you can also add 1/2 cup walnuts or 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I always like adding chocolate chips, and I use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let me show you guys. So now I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350, and I'm gonna grease my pan. I also like to add flour to the pan, and that is just habit that I have from ever since. But if you want, you can just use parchment paper and grease the inside. It will prevent the batter from sticking. So now that I added the mixture into my pan, I am going to put it into the oven. I will bake for 50 to 60 minutes. The recipe did call for that, but you can also use a tester and insert it to see if it come out clean. As long as it come out clean, you know that your banana bread is ready. Make sure that you preheat your oven. The oven is preheated to 350. So now I'm going to put the banana bread in the oven. Sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. But that you call and you talk to a girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you tried, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye!